Hey YouTube, so it's your girl Cosmic Pearls and I'm back with another video. Now, I was just laying in my bed, right? And I happened to just so look up. Now, I remember taking my my smoke detector. Yeah, y'all already know what I'm about to talk about because a lot of high priestess have this thing where they coming into people's houses, not telling y'all that they in y'all house and all kinds of stuff. Now I just moved into this place in January, um, and at first I was like, I'm not gonna really. I didn't want to. It's something about me just didn't want to know or something like that. Cause I mean, like, if they watching, they watching. I mean, you see what I'm saying? But I was laying in the bed and I was looking at my smoke alarm. Now the other day, I remember taking my smoke detector off of the wall because it kept beeping because it needed to be changed. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna talk to maintenance so they can come, change it. But it just slipped my mind. And lately, I haven't been hearing the noise, right? So that slipped my mind as well. But Spirit, is just like tapping me on my shoulder. Now, I'm home almost all the time. Like, I'm always home. I work from home. I do everything that I need to do from home. The only time I'm going out is if I need to go to the store to grab something. Now, I have everything that I need. Last time I went to the store, it was literally like the corner store. I wasn't gone long at all. At all. I didn't at all. I wasn't gone long at all. But within that time of me being gone, the maintenance came into my home, right? 222. The maintenance people, they came into my home. But I didn't know that they came into my home, right? I just now realized that they came into my home because I had my smoke alarm in this drawer, right? Now, y'all, I'm about to grab the smoke detector. I'm about to take it off the wall again. I'm about to grab it and see what's going on while it's on camera to see if it does the same thing. Now, what I did was, now I don't care if they listening or not because y'all nosy anyway. Um, but I'm about to grab it. I'm about to show y'all exactly what I just did. I downloaded one of them apps to help find, like, hidden devices and stuff like that. And it started going off. I checked it on doors. I checked it on, like, cause how they put cameras and recording devices and stuff like that, like, like indoors and stuff like that. So I checked my doors. There's nothing on my doors or anything like that. But that's the one thing that I know that they came in here and touched without me even being here. I'm not even gone from my house long enough for someone to sneak in my house and do what they did and then just leave. Even though it was something quick for them to do, but it's just like I wasn't even gone like that long. 333. I wasn't even gone that long. So let me just go ahead and grab this, okay? So I can show y'all. Alright. So I'm gonna put it back up there and see if y'all can hear it. But if y'all can't, then I'm gonna just have to take it down. Let me see. I can't tell if y'all can hear it buzzing, but it's going off. It says potential electronic device nearby. Watch, y'all. I'm about to take it off the wall. Hold on. I'm gonna take it off the wall so y'all can see it. Okay, so y'all, I guess when I take it off the wall, it doesn't do anything because I guess whatever the camera or whatever. I think that's how they knew that I had took it down in the first place. But whatever they got in here, it doesn't scan it. It doesn't, so it's electronically, it doesn't beep or nothing like that. So I'm about to put it back up, and then I'm gonna bring the camera closer so y'all can see. Okay. And it's back up there. Now, like, I'm not even tripping, y'all. Like, I didn't touch that thing at all. Like, now let me see, because I got this. Let me see. I just want y'all to be able to hear it when I do what I need to do. Hold on. I don't want everybody to see my house. Okay. All right, y'all. Look, I'm not even near it. All right, hold on. So this is what it says. Hold on, my phone is a little cracked, y'all. It's more than a little cracked, but it's cracked. Okay. But just so y'all can hear it. Hold on. Y'all hear that buzzing? Hold on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? You hear it? It says potential electronic device nearby. Yeah. And this is for suspected devices, and it's still going off. Like, it's going off the charts. I'm not even near anything. Now it stopped. Okay. So that's what I wanted to show y'all. Yeah. So make sure y'all check in, y'all stuff, because if you out here, they trying their hardest, y'all. So that's a part of them trying to get us involved in setups and all kinds of stuff. So just make sure y'all are aware of y'all surroundings, the people that are coming into your home, things like that. So just be on the lookout, y'all. Peace.